Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to get money off eBay in 2025. If you're an eBay seller, you know that hard work selling items online deserves a quick and easy payout. But with eBay's systems evolving, let's break it down step by step so you can cash out smoothly. First off, why 2025? eBay has been rolling out new features for faster payments and better security, so I'll cover the latest updates to help you avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Make sure your eBay account is fully set up. Log in and head to your seller dashboard. Here, you'll find your payment overview. If you haven't already, link your PayPal account or bank details. eBay supports direct bank transfers now, which is a game changer for 2025. It's quick and often fee-free, depending on your location. Next, check for any holds on your funds. eBay might hold payments for new sellers or high-value items, but in 2025, they've improved their release timelines. Once cleared, go to the Get Paid section. Select your preferred method, PayPal for instant access or direct deposit for larger sums. Remember, fees can vary. For example, PayPal might charge a small percentage, so factor that into your earnings. A pro tip for 2025: use eBay's new mobile app features for on-the-go withdrawals. It's faster than ever, and with enhanced two-factor authentication, your money is safer. Also, keep an eye on tax implications. Many countries now require sellers to report earnings, so set up your tax info in advance to avoid surprises. Finally, once your money is transferred, track it through your linked account. That's it. You're all set to enjoy your profits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more eBay tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.